5 awesome reasons why you should sprinkle cinnamon on your garden. There is no doubt that cinnamon is nutritious for you. But have you ever thought that it can also be beneficial for your plants? If this thought is new for you, then watch the video to know all 5 reasons why you should use cinnamon for the plants in your garden. 1. Say goodbye to wild mushrooms. If you are tired of picking up wild mushrooms during your beautiful afternoon from the garden, then just sprinkle some cinnamon on them, and they will disappear as cinnamon will kill wild mushrooms. 2. The seedlings will love cinnamon. You can easily protect the seedlings of your plant from fungus by sprinkling some cinnamon on fresh soil of your beloved plant. In this way, the seedlings will not dampen, and they can flourish in a fresh environment. 3. Ants will flee away. Just like mushrooms, ants also cannot tolerate cinnamon. If you don't like ants in your garden or house, then you can sprinkle some cinnamon, and the ants will run away because they can't tolerate cinnamon smell, as it will suffocate them. 4. Keep mosquitoes and other bugs away. Mosquito and other bugs cannot tolerate the strong smell of cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon around your plants in the garden to avoid mosquitoes and other bugs. 5. Heal sick plants. Sprinkle cinnamon on a plant wound and it will speed up the healing process. It would protect it from other diseases and damages. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every day.